Thank you for buying this 15553 dog piggy bank from FixtureDisplays. This nice piggy bank has a dog shape and measures 7.9 inches tall, 5.9 inches wide, and about 1.1 inches thick. Comes with a clear lens that's 1/16 of an inch or 1.5 millimeters thick. The lens is fastened to the frame through several screws. It's a very fun, money-saving device for kids of all ages. And there's a drop slot, fairly large. You can put almost all coins in there. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. In addition to dog, we also have cat and alphabetic units. You can search 15553 on FixtureDisplays.com to locate those items, along with many other consumer and business products we have to offer on our website. To retrieve the coins, you want to undo the screws with any Phillips screwdriver you have in your house, and then put the lens back on for a new batch of coins. Like us, subscribe, remember to leave a good seller feedback and a product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.